Welcome to the Comm Systems channel, your trusted source for professional insights on structured cabling, fiber optics, and communication infrastructure. Today's topic is one of the most important foundations of modern communication: fiber optic cabling for secure telecommunications networks. In a world where data moves at the speed of light, literally, fiber optic cabling has become the backbone of secure telecommunications networks. Unlike traditional copper wiring that transmits electrical signals, fiber optics use pulses of light to transfer data over long distances with unmatched speed and reliability. But beyond performance, what makes fiber optics the ultimate choice is security. Copper cables can easily emit electromagnetic signals that make them susceptible to tapping or interception. Fiber optics, on the other hand, do not radiate signals, making it nearly impossible for intruders to extract data without physically breaking the fiber strand, which immediately disrupts transmission and exposes the intrusion attempt. This makes fiber optic systems the preferred choice for government facilities, financial institutions, healthcare networks, and data centers, where data confidentiality is critical. At Comm Systems, we install and certify OM3 and OM4 multimode and OS2 single-mode fiber networks designed for maximum performance and protection. Our expert technicians use precision fusion splicing and Fluke DSX certification equipment to ensure every connection meets or exceeds TIA standards, guaranteeing low loss, high bandwidth, and long-term reliability. In addition to data security, fiber optics support higher transmission speeds, greater distance coverage, and reduced latency, which are vital for cloud computing, VoIP communications, and real-time collaboration across multiple locations. By integrating fiber optic cabling into your telecommunications network, your business gains faster, safer, and more scalable connectivity capable of supporting tomorrow's technologies today. From enterprise networks and smart buildings to telecom providers and government agencies, Comm Systems deliver secure, high-performance fiber optic installations that keep your communications protected and future-ready. When security and performance matter, fiber is the clear choice, and Comm Systems is the team you can trust to design, install, and maintain it with excellence. Thank you for watching this episode on fiber optic cabling for secure telecommunications networks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Comm Systems channel for more expert insights on network infrastructure and security technology. For more information, visit www.dvcsny.com or call 888-501-5885.